Hi there, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create fully functional and beautiful modal pop-up completely free. Yes, without using Elementor Pro. No coding, no premium plugins and no complicated setup. So, if you want to add a beautiful modal pop-up in your WordPress website without spending any money, then this tutorial is perfect for you. But before we jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will find lots of helpful WordPress tutorials like how to create a classified listing website, an e-commerce website, Elementor guide and basic WordPress as well. So if you want to learn WordPress step by step, make sure subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's begin. First thing first, let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. So navigate to the another tab and you can see this is an example website. If I scroll down and you can see single image. If I click over here, then the image modal pop-up will open. Click here, let's check it. That's great. You can see single image. Then again, if I click here image gallery, then the image gallery will be open. Really, it's amazing. So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can add this type of fully functional and a beautiful modal pop-up without spending any money. Then again close it and contact form. If you click here, then the contact form will modal pop-up. Here, that's great. Really, it's amazing. Scroll down and this is the image. If you click on this image, let's check how does it look. Click here, that's great. You can see this is a beautiful modal pop-up and you can close it. Then again scroll down. If you click here, you can see this is the join our newsletter. So if you want, then you can show any notification, any form, any image or image gallery through this modal pop-up. Now go to the website where I want to add this type of fully functional and beautiful modal pop-up. And you can see this is the website where I want to add this type of modal pop-up. So very fast we have to install a Elementor free add-on. That's why go to the website dashboard and hover over on plugins, click over here add plugin. Super. Just from the right side search box, you have to search here premium add-on. Type here premium add-on. That's great. Very fast it appears. You can see premium add-ons for Elementor, powerful Elementor element templates and widgets. Don't worry, I have given the link in this video description. So click over here install now. Then the activate. Great. After install and activating the add-on, maybe you will be redirected to this page, and this is the add-on configuration page. So you have to configure the add-on from here. Very fast, website type, this tab is selected, and if you want, then you can change it another tab like personal company website and e-commerce website. If you want, then you can choose another one. I want to keep as default like very fast one, personal company website. And from the right side bottom, you can see next button. Just you have to click over here next. Then again, if you want, then you can enable or disable any widget from here. Actually, I want to keep it as a default. So again, from the right side bottom, click here save and continue. Then again save. Then next, and you can see setup complete. Let's build something amazing. If you want, then you can create a new page from here and you can go to the dashboard. Actually, I want to go to the dashboard. So click over here, go to dashboard. That's great. This is the premium add-on dashboard. So you have to configure or you have to enable widget from here, which you want to use. And very fast, it appears some tab like general widgets and add-on. You can check one by one which you need. Actually, I have to work with it widgets and add-ons. If you scroll down, then you will see it has lots of widgets, and some of them are free and some of them are pro. In this tutorial I want to use only free widgets. Like check where is modal pop-up, or just you can search here like Ctrl F and search here like modal. That's great. You can see this is the modal box. Just click here this toggle button and enable it. That's great. And I want to check another one like pricing. So type here pricing. Great. You can see it already enabled. That's great. Now close it, and these widgets are ready to use. And if you want, then you can enable or disable the bulk from here, switch on and switch off. That's great. Now go to the website, and I want to add this type of beautiful modal pop-up here. So edit the page with Elementor. Click here, edit with Elementor. Great. You can see this is the element editor and a pop-up. I can close it from here. Got it. And scroll down. I want to add a new section here. I hope already you know how to add or how to create a new section in Elementor. Click this plus sign and again plus sign, then flex box. I want to take it. Then again from the left side container, drag and drop here. It's amazing. Again click this plus sign, and from the left side top search widget. Just search here modal pop-up. And you can see this is the modal pop-up. Just drag and drop here. Again check it. You can see this is the modal pop-up. Actually PA premium add-on. Actually it's another one and it's pro. Just ignore it. Just you have to use it. Modal pop-up and PA premium add-on. Okay, just drag and drop here. Then you can see premium add-on. So I want to change this text. So click this pencil icon, and this is the button trigger, which is very important for this tutorial, like how you can want to show this on. If you click this down arrow, you can see image, text and on page load. Actually I will show step by step. So very fast I want to show it button, so select it, and premium add-ons. I want to change this text, like I want to give here, click here or contact us. Just click here, click here for details. That's great. This is the button, and scroll down. If you want, then you can enable hover effect. Actually I want to keep as a default. Then the content. Okay, and you can see content show. Actually how you want to show. If you want to show content, then you can see text editor. Click here and you can see text editor and Elementor template. Actually I will show you Elementor template very fast. I want to show text editor. You can see text editor, and if you want, then you can change the text from here. Actually I want to give like this again. So from the right side top, publish it and go to the website, refresh it and check it. That's great. You can see, click here for details. Click here. That's great. You can see the modal pop-up works fine, and you can see this is the text. Then again go to the element editor, and you can change the text from here, and you can see dismissible yes, and upper close button, lower close button. Again check it. You can see this is the button. So if you want, then you can enable or disable it. Okay, so again go to the element editor and navigate to the style tab. So if you want, then you can change the style from here. If you check it one by one, I hope you will be able to understand easily. It's super easy. You can change the style from here. Then again I want to take another section. Okay, container. That's great. Plus click this plus sign and type here modal box. That's great. And I want to give here like contact us. This is the button. Contact us, and scroll down, and you can see this is the text. Actually I want to show contact form, so I can give here like the contact form shortcut. So again go to the Elementor dashboard, admin dashboard, and you can see this is the form. Click here all form. This is the form, simple contact form. I can copy this shortcut from here, then paste it here. And I want to show when the website will be load, or if any visitor when will visit the website, then the contact form will be show. Okay, so again go to the trigger, and you can see this is the trigger button. Actually I want to show it like on page load. Select it and publish it from the right side top, and you can see this is the contact form. Then again just close it and refresh this page and check it. That's great. You can see it works perfectly. So if you want, then you can add this type of modal pop-up. Just you can show here your contact form or any newsletter here. Okay, now I can close it again. Then I want to show, if you click on image, then the image will be open. So again go to the element editor. Now I can close it and take another section. Just I want to show here, that's why I take section 1 by 1. That's great. Again search here modal pop-up. Great. So button, and click here, and I want to show like image. So select this image. That's great. Just give an image, click here, and I want to upload from my website, or I want to upload from my computer. Select. Just I want to show here. It's, or I can give it. That's great. From the right side bottom, select it, and if you want, then you can resize the image. Actually I want to resize it, like I want to keep like this. Okay, image, and scroll down, content, and you can see text editor. Actually I want to show here like a template, so click this down arrow and select it, Elementor template, and you can see I did not create any template here. So just publish it and go to the admin dashboard, and very fast I have to add template. I hope already you know how to add template Elementor, or I am going to show it. So hover over on template and click over here, add new. Super. You have to give here like I want to give like section and name, and give a name like I want to give here image box or image pop-up. Okay, image pop-up, and key over here, create template. Click this plus sign, take any section and give here image. This is the image. So click here, then upload image. I want to give it, open it, and from the right side bottom click select and publish it. Then again go to the element editor and refresh it. Close this pop-up and scroll down, click here this pencil icon, then trigger, then content, and you can see Elementor template. Now if you click here, then you can see this is the text editor and Elementor template. That's great. Then the template, click here, and you can see this is the image pop-up, which right now I have created from here. That's great. So just choose it, image pop-up, then publish it from the right side top, then go to the website and refresh it and check it. Great. And click this image, and that's great. You can see the image modal pop-up works fine. Now if you want, then you can show here a gallery as well. So I can close it and go to the template, and I can delete it. Then again click this plus sign and just search here gallery, and you can see media gallery. So I can drag and drop here. Great. And just choose image from here. click this pencil icon and you can see images, videos. So I want to give image, you can see image, click here and I can give it from here. That's great. Another image, it, or I can upload from my computer. That's great. I want to show it. Yes, sorry, I can change it again. So in this way, if you want, then you can add more image from here. And publish it. Go to the website and check it again. Now scroll down and check it, click here. That's great. You can see the image gallery works fine. Now if you want, then you can change the animation. So again, go to the Elementor editor and click this pencil icon, and this is the content. Click here, content, and scroll down. Then you can see this is the animation duration and the entrance animation, fade in down. Actually I want to like here zoom in. That's great. If you select Elementor template, then this option will be show here. Okay, so zoom in, I want to give it zoom in, and animation first I want to give like normal, then publish it. Again go to the website and refresh it and check it from here. Scroll down and click here and check it. That's great. You can see the animation has been changed. So again, go to the Elementor editor, click this pencil icon, and if you want, then you can change the animation from here. You can see zoom in, and you can give here like zoom out. Check it. That's great. So, and if you want, then you can change the animation duration from here. If you want, then you can give here slow, then the zoom up, and just check it. That's great. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. I have a request to you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me and the latest WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching the video.